How to buy aixCB, the aixCB by Virtuals token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before buying or going to buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go and find it on the screener. If you don't have an account of it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this token is under the base network. Just go and copy the token address from here and open your Bitget wallet, as you can see. After that, go to wallets and make sure to select the base as a network from here and click on this plus icon. Now for here, just paste the token address, as you can see. And now this token, as you can see, it's not listed yet. Just click on plus icon and now go back to be able to find this token. So if you scroll down, as you can see, this is our token. Just click on it and now click on swap and click on switch from here. Now here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. Now make sure you have enough USDC on your Bitget wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Now wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive of that token. Now after that, it's simple. Click on buy to be able to buy this aixCB token. So this is how to buy the aixCB token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.